Okay, this street right here says Patio do Cotovelo. I haven't filmed that before, but I definitely want to get in there and film it now. Looks like you got some interesting things, so we'll see what's all in here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Patio do Cotovelo. So this is called Rua dos Mercadores in here, and this is kind of in this old style, and we got this kind of like little plaza right in here too. That's nice. I like this yellow building right there as well. So there's nice architecture in this area. Take some restoration in that green one. And we're gonna go down this little patio and just kind of see what's in that one. So Macau is pretty famous for patios actually. So when you can get a chance to go down one, definitely do it. And let's see, right away we have some restaurants. Kind of typical Macau stuff that's pretty tasty. That one too. Interesting. Okay. Then you have a temple right there right away. Those are kind of spinning. Okay, let's just see what's in this little patio. Some apartments up there. This must be the restaurant. It's really small and quaint. It's really cool. That might actually be the kitchen part. Take our little patio. It's quite small. Oh yeah. It looks like it comes out to a little plaza over there. So we basically just came in right in there. Yeah, this is beautiful. We got all the lighting as well. Nice choice. Restaurant. And it looks like we come out to there's not a nail. And we come out to a little plaza area right in here. Patio do Cotovelo. So we're still in our patio as well. And now we're on this little additional street right here. Oh yeah, so this one, this is pretty cool. Got some nice artwork right there. And it's gonna go back to our main street right in that area right there as well. Patio de Cotovelo. Really nice. Quite small. So we're gonna so now we're kind of on a different street. Mercado de São Domingos. I don't know what, some nice artwork. Okay. So we have this nice little plaza right in here. Nice design as well, that black and white. It's pretty cool. So let's just fade right out to the main street. And then we're going to see what's out on the main street here. There we go, there's the main street right there. And we'll just kind of go back and just kind of scan everything. Got a bus stop right here. And we're not too far from San Malo, so we might actually take a little glance towards San Malo since we're in that little alley. And this does kind of fit with the other one anyways. Like this little street is behind me is where the old harbor used to be, and it comes out to kind of this glamorous part of Macau. So there's a lot of history in this area. So we might as well go all the way to Senado Square and kind of bring our camera over there. So yeah, this little street, there's little patios off to the side sometimes. You got this kind of main street right there. Then we have the beautiful area right over there. There it is. So that's San Malo. Got all those beautiful buildings, stuff like that as well. And I wasn't gonna go over there right now, but I guess we will. We'll take the camera with us, kind of show you exactly where we are a little bit. And there we go. San Malo. Looks nice. You got this kind of thing behind me. I always see that kind of captured in films as well. Okay. Oh, look really beautiful a little bit when the lights go down fully. Okay, so we basically just came down from that street and came into this little plaza right here. So we'll do one more sweeping through. There's a stage right there. That stage will move later. Oh, there's two stages now. There's that stage and there's a second stage. And the other stage is right there. So they've been playing live music in the evenings at that stage. And then there's some, just walk over that way for a second. Might as well. Then you can also eat over in this area too. And drink. And get ice cream or beer or colas or coffee. But in this little area right in here. There we go. It's a nice little area. They just keep going all the way down to Sao Paulo ruins. You can explore all kinds of stuff in this area. So we will end it, and there's our live stage right there where they'll be playing in the evening, and we'll end it right there on our fountain. Chiquinha,